Good Friday morning, everybody. January 23rd, 2026. Read the following scriptures that I'm about to read to you 3 days at the same time. Make a confession that you are blessed and will never want. Donate to some ministry or so forth, whatever, one time each day that you read these. Jesus rose 3 days later. Esther 3 days fast. Job 3 days. Israel 3 days. Your provision 3 days. Psalm 37:21. 25, 26, and 34. The wicked borroweth and payeth not again, but the righteous showeth mercy and giveth. I have been young, and now I am old, yet have I not seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed begging bread. He is ever merciful and lendeth, and his seed is blessed. Wait on the Lord and keep his way. He shall exalt thee to inherit the land. When the wicked are cut off, thou shalt see it. God bless you and enjoy the day God gave you. Amen. Look to the hills from whence cometh your help. Essie.